All right, this next section is basically what is life? And there's a few components that make up life. The ones that we're going to specify today are the following: a cellular organization, which means that you're made of cells. And that is super important. And we're going to talk about all the different types of cells that impact the body later on. Biochemical unity, what that means is all life on Earth, I like how I say it that way, all life on Earth has four things that are similar as far as what they're made of. Every living thing on the planet is made of proteins, they are made of lipids, they are made of carbohydrates, as well as DNA. And we're going to talk about those four biomolecules soon. In case you haven't noticed, there's a lot of, we're going to get to this coming up, but it's important to understand this now because it is the foundation of what we're going to get to. Next up, metabolism. Every organism on the planet does some sort of metabolism. What is metabolism? Metabolism is basically the ability to process energy. Okay. Um, in the case of humans, cellular respiration is going to be a huge part of this. So basically, how does a human take food, put it into them, break it down, and then rebuild themselves using it? All right. Two major processes, which we'll get to: catabolism and anabolism. Right. So we'll get there. And all of this has to do with maintaining homeostasis, which is probably the biggest buzzword you're going to have to know this entire class and for anybody here looking to go into medicine. It's all about homeostasis, which we'll get to that as well. A few other things that are really important: responsiveness, so the excitability of an organism, so their ability to detect something in their environment and then react to it. And we could talk about a whole bunch of different ways, right? Can I see things? That's reaction. Taste. So basically, all of your senses, right? Your body's ability to do that, or just the ability to do that. Another thing that separates living things from non-living is development. Okay. Okay. So the ability to grow and the ability to differentiate. Differentiate is a very fun word. It just means that as you grow, certain cells will turn into different types of cells. All right, my dog may bark if you hear that. Sorry. So, for example, a stem cell in a baby, right? A baby, starts off as one cell, turns into two, then four, then eight, and keep going. Those are all undifferentiated cells. As time moves on, they differentiate and turn into new cells, right? So they can turn into skin, hair, so on and so forth. And with that said, here are a few other slides here that you could look at, right? So movement, responsiveness, growth, so on and so forth. So that is